Welcome to the Plus Addons tutorial. Today we gonna demonstrate language feature option in navigation builder of the Plus Addons. It will be integration of WPML and TranslatePress. You can choose any of them. You can see a TranslatePress is available free of charge in WordPress.org and WPML is the paid one, so you can choose based on your needs. So let's check out how to integrate that. So here is the demo for that. You can see the language feature available over here. So first of all, you need to install WPML or the TranslatePress to set that up. Once you install any of them, you just need to go to the backend and configure its settings. So if you have installed a TranslatePress, you just need to go to the settings and the TranslatePress. In there you will have a default language and there will be other languages. You can see over here, like you can select any of the language over here, right? Once you select those, you just need to save that. And same for the WPML, you just need to go to the WPML and the languages. From there you can select a different site languages over here. You can add or remove the languages based on the options. You can see it over here. So there will be a different site languages. So we already have set up a WPML and TranslatePress and have the languages selected and added. Now let's go to the Elementor panel. From there you just need to check a navigation menu widget, which is for the main navigation, but beside that we also have a header meta content widget which includes multiple meta information of the header. So let's check out a header meta info. You can see the header meta content over here, and once you select that, you just need to paste it over here, and then there will be a different options. So let's check out those options over here. Let's go to the layout 7. There are some options already available. You just need to go there, and first of all you need to select a meta content. For example, here you can select a language feature. You can see the language feature here. This is repeater based, so you also can select any other icon over here. Let's select an extra toggle bar. You can see that that will be available over here, but that is not available just because you also need to enable that from here as well. The same situation will be for the language feature as well. If it will be turned off from here, you will not see that. So let's remove an extra toggle bar. So let's just focus on the WPML language bar. So there are different options to hide that in a different screens. Now let's go to the language feature. You just need to enable this, and then you will have option for a WPML or the TranslatePress. If you select a WPML, you will see a WPML's all the options over here, and those options are available here as well. You can see a language feature over here. Then there will be a different styles, so you can adjust their styles based on your needs. There will be a vertical, horizontal, and the other options. So let's keep that style 1 for now. Then you can enable or disable a country flag, a native name, and the translated name. You can see the option over here. Then you have option to add before and after text. For example, let's put a select in after text. You will see that text after the switcher. Let's remove that as of now. Now if you want to change the typography and other option, you just need to go to the style tab. From there you need to find out a WPML language switcher options. From there you can adjust the padding of that. You can adjust a maximum width, so let's make it a bigger. You can see that option available, which is responsive as well, so you can manage that in responsive devices. You also have option of the size. You can change the size based on your needs. Then there are different options for a normal and for the active state. You can change the color for the normal state, and if you select any one of them you can check the active state as well. There are also options for the background, a border based on the normal and the active state. Then there is a border radius. You can see that over here. You also can adjust the box shadow. So let's make it lighter. Then there is an option for the before and after text styling. You also can see the border for the before and after, width, margin, padding, border radius, color and the box shadow. So these are the options available for the WPML. And if you go to the TranslatePress, you will see there are no options for the country, flag, native name and other. So when you select a TranslatePress, you just need to go over here in a TranslatePress settings. From that settings you can change those values from here. If you select a short language names, you also can select a flag and other things over here. So all the options available here will be available and take effect over here. So you need to manage those things here. In a WPML you need not to select, or any of the settings from here will not work on our widget, but in TranslatePress you have to go here and use those options. So these are the options for the WPML and TranslatePress language switcher. Thanks for watching and keep crafting amazing websites. See you in the next video.